You think he explains better than her?
Well, she doesn't do
She's
anything.
wrong. Yeah, she doesn't explain anything.
She just like kind of sits there and like if you have questions,
I
you
think
ask
they're
her.
all on the same track. They're just doing stuff to get rid of responsibility.
But the other guy, Patel, he like explains something.
Yeah.
He like goes through a different lab, which is similar, I guess. Um,
Is it on the same time as, or
it's a
his is from, I guess, from 10 to 12.
yeah. My
Yeah, that one.
yeah, mine is wrong because whenever I change, it's on Pacific time, but it's like somewhere around that time. I think his is no. His might start at 5, honestly. I'm not too sure though. But okay, just information flows we have to finish for this part, and then HLR we have to finish as well, and then we just have to put digital signature over here and our role in the project, I guess, and what we're doing.
So what is our role
I have no idea.
in this project?
Complete the project.
Let me go to that. Lab week 3. HLR document. No, she didn't put anything here. If you do you guys are you guys gonna go to the lab? Because we could just stay and
I
call
might
and
join because maybe she's gonna say something.
Yeah.
yeah, I'll
I like
join.
like 10 minutes. You can join for 10 minutes and see what she does, if she does anything. And then we can
She
just
might
leave.
say something about
Yeah, we could just stay
Yeah.
and call honestly while she's doing it, and we just finish this up if you guys are fine with that.
Yeah, high five.
yeah.
Lecture content. Project no. Analysis. I forgot where it is. She had a presentation. Is it this? Requirement scope area. External entities acceptable. She hasn't said anything here on the. guess we have to just like mention which uh, person is.
But we're all doing the same job, like we're just splitting stuff.
Yeah,
I don't know what to say about the roles.
I think it's like depending on the requirements, which one we're focusing on. I'm not too sure.
Maybe for she meant for implementation of the project. Who's gonna do what?
Yeah.
Like front end, back end.
Mm, I don't think
But
she
we're not
meant.
still pretty sure.
Yeah, I think she meant from this, like which HLR requirements we're gonna focus on, and our role. I don't know. Maybe she put some roles here.
We can say something like the basic stuff, like front end, back end, and then on Monday we can ask her and edit it. Just
Yeah.
we're gonna put the mark for it anyway.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah.
So just put like beside the name front end, back end, or whatever, and then on Monday we're gonna edit it.
Yeah, we'll just put our names. Let me just finish off information flow then. Independent vehicle owners. Just double check.
1 second, guys. I'll be back.
Yeah, I think I'm done information scope. Let me.
And I'll finish the last part after the lab.
Yeah.
And I think we are done.
Yeah, I think we're done.
It's only one submission again, right?
Yeah. There is
Yep.
another thing that we might have to do. Let me just join the lab and see what happens. 1 second. Which class? 1, 2, 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. Guys, we wait for 5 minutes for everybody to join. Yeah, 5 minutes. And it's a zero, okay? 0M0P, the at class code.
We had to create like user stories and personas for this class, but I don't know.
For this week's submission
I think
or
that's next
for
week.
grade
But
one?
yeah, let me check. There's no submission for next. This is high level requirements. Why is this over here? I just remember going through this document. Oh yeah, right here, revised due date. We have to do personas 3 to 5 and user stories 3 to 5 for each persona before.
Is that for sprint one?
Yeah, that's for sprint 1. But sprint 1 is like coming up. It's like October 2nd. So
Next week.
next Thursday, yeah.
Mhm.
Mm. But there's no like document. I remember she was showing us in class though. For the personas.
I think we have to create our own document for those.
Yeah.
I remember she said there's no template for those.
Yeah. Is week 4? Not project plan. Personas. Must create new document, no template given. Imagine users of your system, not real, but representative of real audience. You can use quick profiling tools, making tools like WordPress or Canva, since it's a part of design, not implementation. User stories, no document. Yeah, we have to do this too. We could probably split this because we
Yeah,
have
we
to
can
create
split that.
5 and everyone just do one. But I don't think it's due next week, but we should probably get started on it or at least talk about it.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I'll start the recording. Okay, so,
Recording in progress.
okay,
I don't know what she records.
so you guys know the Atlas code is
No,
basically,
she
again,
had
I'm
to
gonna
please
say
to do
because I'm getting
something.
requests, the questions. It's zero, guys, okay? 0M0P. Okay, the Atlas code. Okay, 0M0P.
I feel she's
Okay, yeah,
sometimes
yeah, Uma,
screaming
thank you,
at
thank
me.
you.
Sorry? I can't. She's talking
I,
so loud. One sec.
Okay, so
I'm saying
everyone,
I'm feeling
we
sometimes
are
she's
here with the
screaming
lab
at
4.
me.
Yeah,
So
she
lab
is.
4 is
Zero,
more
What's
about
the art class?
Express module.
Zero
zero
P?
Express
M
as
zero P.
and NodeMon module. Okay, you
Okay.
guys have got the theory there. Okay, so we will be executing a little bit of here and there of Express module as per the lab 4. So I'm gonna go point by point from the lab 4 requirements. Okay, so let me share the screen. Okay, so everybody can see. Okay, now let's go to the lab module. Okay, now here in the lab 4, as I said, is more about express and all. Okay, so let me just give you guys a brief about it here and then we start the lab. Okay, so exactly like last week and before weeks, you guys have to create a zip folder, you have to upload the screenshots, and you have to give me a GitHub repo link. Okay, some of you might have seen that I have not accepted your GitHub repo link because I might have just downloaded your JavaScript file and I have executed it. Okay, so that might be the reason, but others I might have accepted already. So it's like I'm just in the middle. Okay, so you guys have to submit 3 things: the folder, the zip file, screenshots, and the GitHub link. Okay, now the first, yes, Tanu, I'm speaking. I mean, uh, others, can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now the first step is we have to create an application for Express JavaScript. Now, first of all, what is Express? Can anybody tell me? What is Express? Basically, it's a web-based framework, web server framework, helps you to run the server pages and
Can I
all
just
those
put
things,
this on the
okay,
side
inside JavaScript.
and
Okay,
upload
so
the
Express is a web-based framework. So now the
videos for
first thing
last
they are
meeting?
asking in the lab is to add the Express framework and NodeMon to your package.json. Okay, and you have to save like this your application. Okay, so first of all, how to add the Express framework and NodeMon package to the JSON. So okay, guys, forget about the code. Okay, so inside the terminal, okay, inside the terminal, okay, so I am here already, like inside my folder where I have created my this whole files. Okay, these all are files, see inside my folder. Okay, these are the files. Okay, so I have already done it, that's why you guys can see those files, but otherwise I'm gonna show you. Okay, so the first step in the lab is to make sure to get the modules inside your package. Okay, so in order to get the modules, first of all I want to show you guys this. Okay, you guys can get this whole express module information and the whole package modules about nodes is here. You guys can go and check this npm.js npmjs.com, this website. Okay, here it will give you the whole details about packages and modules, what packages are included, what modules are included. You guys can get all the details here, okay, on this website, npm docs or npm. Okay, npmjavascript.com. You guys can get everything about this package modules. Okay, so you guys can refer there. And then now let's go with that. Here, once you guys have chosen the path inside that folder, so make sure you are installing that express and node1 inside the folder, okay, because I will be checking that folder later. So how do we do this? First of all, let's initialize the node package module. Okay, node package module, let's initialize it first. Okay, okay, so I have initialized it, and then it means I have loaded the whole package module, and now I want to install, oh sorry, express. So you can do npm install express and npm install nodemon. Okay, so because your lab is asking for both the modules, right, express and nodemon, so make sure you guys install both the modules. Here you guys might find one or two vulnerabilities, and it will automatically fix and it will install, and see automatically your package.json will be here, and the node modules are here, and you guys can see express is here automatically, and nodemon is also here. So just now what I did, initialized and the install, so I got express and nodemon both. Okay, everybody understood the first step? So you have to bring in these modules inside your package.json. Okay, you guys want to do it this first? You guys want to do this first? Are you guys able to listen? Okay, please do this first. So these are the two commands. Okay, these are the two commands. Okay, do this and let me know. Eric, does that mean you have already done it? The thumbs up means like you have done it or you're doing it. Okay, did it. Good, good, good. Others, please install and let me know, then we proceed further. Tanupreet, are you done? No, I am just asking to the people who told me yes, they are doing it. That's why I'm asking the particular name. Otherwise, no reason. Okay, so these are the two commands. And make sure you guys do check this node modules and the express and the nodemon to be there. Okay, and this one. Okay, so make sure you guys do check that they both the modules are installed. Yes. Install express, no need globally, just install express. Okay, so once you guys are done, okay, now what you guys have to do is, you guys have to, according to the instruction, you guys have to create a file. Okay, so index.javascript, or oh sorry, or whatever files you guys want to name it. Okay, once you guys create that file, okay, inside the file, first of all, let's fix the express module. Okay, then we do the whole get, post and everything. Okay, now get, post, and there are few more functionalities which are mainly used in express module, for express module only. Okay, so I will tell about those first, but let's start with the basic format of express. Okay, so I will, okay, so if I share you guys like the code. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna
Is this the code for the lab?
load the express module inside the code. Okay, so first of all, I'm
Yeah,
gonna load
Oh.
the express module, import the
like
express
we have to
module
add that
inside the code. Okay,
HTML
then second, I'm gonna declare the server.
to do
Okay,
the
and then
work.
I'm gonna create an instance. Okay, again, so first of all, we are importing this express module, and then we are creating an instance. Okay, instance. After this is a middleware. Okay, now this middleware, I want to explain you guys this, like how does express module work. If I say express is as simple as client server
I'm
architecture,
gonna stop
okay,
recording.
just understood